In the evolving world of healthcare technology, eClinicalWorks or ECW stands out as a comprehensive electronic health record or EHR and practice management solution widely used by medical practices to optimize administrative and clinical workflows. Known for its robust features, eClinicalWorks assists healthcare providers in managing everything from patient records and appointment scheduling to billing and telemedicine. This video provides a detailed overview of eClinicalWorks, outlining its features, benefits, and capabilities that support practice optimization. So basically, eClinicalWorks is designed to meet the needs of both small and large practices across various specialties, delivering a range of tools that streamline operations and enhance patient care. With a user-friendly interface, it integrates smoothly into daily practice routines, enabling healthcare providers to manage records, appointments, billing, and from one centralized system. Additionally, eClinicalWorks has a strong focus on patient engagement, helping practices stay connected with patients and support ongoing care outside of the office. So, for the key features of eClinicalWorks, first is the EHR or electronic health records and clinical documentation. eClinicalWorks offers an intuitive EHR system that allows providers to easily document patient encounters, access historical data, and manage treatment plans. The platform supports customizable templates for various specialties, enabling physicians to streamline documentation and reduce time spent on administrative tasks. Also provides clinical decision support. So the system includes alerts and reminders for preventative care and treatment protocols, helping providers make informed, data driven decisions during patient consultations. Another key feature is practice management and scheduling. eClinicalWorks comes with a robust practice management module, enabling staff to efficiently manage appointments, track patient visits, and handle administrative tasks. The scheduling tool offers features like automated reminders and waitlist management, which help reduce missed appointments and improve patient satisfaction. It provides patient flow optimization. So, with the real time updates on patient status and room assignments, eClinicalWorks enhances practice efficiency and improves patient wait times. Another key feature is the billing and revenue cycle management or RCM. The platform's billing and RCM features simplify the financial aspects of running a medical practice. eClinicalWorks supports electronic claim submission, tracks claim statuses, and identifies potential errors before submission to minimize denials. It provides payment processing. The system integrates with payment gateways, enabling practices to process patient payments securely and manage outstanding balances with ease. Another key feature is their population health and analytics. With the strong focus on data, eClinicalWorks provides population health tools to health providers manage and analyze patient populations for chronic care, preventative screenings, and treatment plans. This feature allows practices to identify health trends and improve overall patient outcomes. So they provide customizable reporting. So ECW offers detailed reporting tools that provide insights into clinical and operational performance, helping practices make data informed decisions for improved care and operational efficiency. Another key feature is their telemedicine and patient engagement tools. eClinicalWorks includes telemedicine capabilities, enabling practices to conduct virtual visits directly within the platform. Patients can connect with providers via secure video conferencing, enhancing access to care and convenience for both patients and providers. It also provides a patient portal. So basically, the patient portal gives patients access to their medical records, appointment scheduling, and secure messaging, promoting engagement and supporting a proactive approach to healthcare. And another key feature is their interoperability and integration. eClinicalWorks is designed for interoperability, allowing it to integrate with other health information systems and platforms, ensuring smooth data exchange between providers and improved continuity of care for patients. So the benefits of using eClinicalWorks is first because of their improved clinical efficiency. eClinicalWorks streamlines administrative tasks, allowing healthcare providers to focus on delivering quality care rather than paperwork. Another benefit is for their enhanced patient engagement. Through its patient portal, telemedicine, and reminders, ECW empowers patients to actively participate in their care, leading to better health outcomes. Another benefit is their revenue growth and financial management. The RCM and billing tools in eClinicalWorks ensure optimized revenue cycle processes, reduce claim denials, and simplify payment collection. Another benefit is the data-driven decision-making. With analytics and reporting, eClinicalWorks provides actionable insights, helping practices identify opportunities for improvement in both clinical and operational areas. And the last benefit, or another benefit, is interoperability. By facilitating data sharing and integrating with other health systems, ECW enhances care coordination and patient outcomes, particularly for patients receiving care from multiple providers. So basically, eClinicalWorks is a powerful and flexible tool designed to meet the needs of healthcare providers seeking to improve practice efficiency, patient engagement, and financial performance, with features that range from EHR and billing to telemedicine and population health management. eClinicalWorks enables healthcare practices to operate smoothly while providing comprehensive, data driven care. So, for any healthcare practice looking to optimize its operations and enhance patient experiences, eClinicalWorks stands out as a valuable choice in the healthcare technology landscape of 2024. So, if you need more information regarding eClinicalWorks, you can simply visit their website. And from here, you'll see a bunch of different features that they offer. As you can see, they also have an AI agent, which is called Suno.ai. And from here, you'll see reviews, the resources, and news about eClinicalWorks. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.